Mountaineer Farms. Well, I am with Randy over at this one job site. This is the weld shop build, and these are those large doors that are the big roll-up mechanical doors that we've had to order, and just getting them over here. This has taken a while to get to this point. They had, besides the building going up, there was concrete that had to be done, more gravel. And so right now, he's just trying to get these off the trailer. They're heavy. He was over here earlier today getting gravel moved around. Store. Get a better bite on it so he can move it a little bit more, or he could, hey Randy, you could come in here. Getting these over here because probably Monday we'll be trying to get the doors installed and trim work and things of that nature. Under the weather. This is the big 12 by 12. It's all encapsulated in here with everything to it. They just kind of package it around. Now, when the owner was in a couple weeks ago or a month or so ago, him and his wife sealed the floor. Can't tell it right now. But it was pretty and shiny until Randy gets in here and makes a mess. But it was pretty and shiny. Now he's picking up the smaller door. That's the 10-footer. He had a load of rock brought in that he brought all of this rock level with the concrete edge. But actually, we will probably need a good 4 more dump truck loads to make everything nice and even and smooth. Right now, we just have to go by what the owner's wanting us to have done. He just wanted to make sure he had gravel up at these edges because there was probably a 6-inch, 8-inch drop from where the concrete ended and the dirt was. And he didn't want nothing to happen, like breaking the edge of the concrete or whatever. He just didn't want any kind of problems of that nature. is working out very good. That French drain back there. It's working very good. I know that looked weird, looked like it was bowing out all the way, but no, that's just that is a shadow. Randy, I explained to him what you're doing, so anything else you want to show you're doing?
No, just wish the door was up.
Now, we'll be starting the doors on Monday. Today is Friday, so we got 2 Christmas parties to go to, so we'll be starting the doors on Monday. At least that is the plan. So, I think he's going to get the blower out and do some cleanup.
Yeah, I'm going to blow some of this gravel.
Yeah, get some of the, so it's not so bad. So, well, I was just showing you what he's doing right now. Getting the doors over here. This is going to be a continuation with this weld shop. It's going to be really nice once it's done. So y'all just need to stay tuned and keep watching, and you'll be able to see everything that he's done. So, well, as for now, I do believe I'll close. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love hearing from you. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. As always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.